Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will talk about this website which you can get a free Tron by mining it for free. So stay tuned. Hi guys, this is it. This is the website. Intelligent plan for your Tron coin. You see the sign up button. Sign up here. Statistic, you can see that they're running in 5 days, and the total deposited is 3,116 TRX deposited, and total withdrawal of 47.55 TRX. The total user is only 2,577 because it's new. How to get profits? Start earning Tron. Plus it's easy, fun, and takes only a few seconds to register. Create account, choose plan, investment, get profit. Join with us, it's upgrade, invite your friends to it, and 10% of features. Strong protection, have a strong system of protected against attackers such as DDoS. Reliable platform, instant withdrawal, registered company, great target, expert support. To sign up, you need a Tron address and a password. That's simple and easy. So let's go. I'm going to sign up. Here you can see this is the main dashboard, and you can see that I have a balance of 0.06 TRX in this website. So yes, this is free. I have a speed of 1 Hz, and this is a bonus pool for 1,821 days, so that you can make at least a 10 TRX or more, I think. Referral link, and you can deposit here, so you can earn more TRX per day. 20 TRX, 50 TRX, 30 TRX, 125, 250, 500, 800, 1,200, 2,500, 2,000, and 100,000. And 10,000. I'm not advising you to deposit here. We are only here for the free bonuses. So yeah guys, this is it. Your balance is 0.06, and you can withdraw when you get your earning balance is 0.6, and the minimum is 2 TRX. So you can see here withdraw amount, anything see here guys. So if you want to withdraw, you can do that, and then the account you can see here all. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and there's a link in the description if you want it, and it's totally 100% free. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.